Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through creating a YouTube banner art using Snappa, a user-friendly graphic design tool. So now let's get started. First, visit Snappa's website and sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Now on the dashboard, select YouTube channel art from the preset template options. This ensures your banner has the correct dimensions. Now browse through Snappa's library of templates and select one that suits your channel's theme, or choose a blank canvas to create a design from scratch. Now use Snappa's tool to add backgrounds, texts, graphics, and shapes. Customize fonts, colors, and images to align with your brand identity. Now, utilize Snappa's preview feature to see how your banner will appear on different devices, ensuring it looks great on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. And once satisfied with your design, click download to save the banner to your computer, and it is now ready to be uploaded to your YouTube channel. And that is how you create a YouTube banner art using Snappa. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.